Hello, I'm Patsy from the Wapaka Library and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to do a little video on how to make your own hot chocolate. Now hot chocolate's pretty easy because you can use a mix and just mix it up into your milk. You can microwave it, whatever. But I have a dairy allergy, and so today I'm going to show you how to mix it from scratch, and it's almost as easy as a mix. So today I'm using almond milk, and I have a vanilla almond milk, but you can really use any milk that you choose. If you want to add a little vanilla and you don't have vanilla milk, you can just add 1 teaspoon to this mix. And I'll make sure that that's on the recipe. But today I'm using 5 cups of the almond milk, and I'm going to mix up my dry ingredients. So there's a lot of different recipes out there, and the one I like the best has kind of a 50-50, half and half between cocoa and sugar. So I'm going to put in 1/3 cup of cocoa into my bowl, and then 1/3 cup of sugar. And I'm putting the dry ingredients in together, and I'm just going to whisk those up. So this helps to incorporate, it helps to break up the clumps of the cocoa as well, the grains of sugar. Just do that for you. So just giving it a little mix. And then what you'll notice is when you add the cocoa powder to the milk, it's just kind of sit on top and not incorporate very well. So a trick you can do is to take some of your milk, like a half a cup to a 1 cup, and just stir that in to the powder, and you're making almost a little bit of a syrup, and it's cold. So we'll make this little chocolate syrup. And then when we pour it into the pan, it's just a little bit easier to mix in. So I'm gonna work on this and I'll be right back. So here we have our chocolate and sugar mixed with about, I think it was like 3/4 of a cup of milk, and this would make a delicious chocolate sauce. When I was a kid and we would run out of chocolate sauce, my mom would make it like this for our ice cream. And here we have our hot chocolate. It's still cold, and you can see that it's mixing in fairly well, but as it heats and as I stir it, it'll incorporate even better. So I've been heating this for about 4 minutes, and it's not quite hot yet, but you can see that the powder is really well incorporated. Some old-fashioned recipes say that when you're done to whip it with an egg beater, but I don't think that's necessary. I think this looks pretty good to me, and I'm ready to drink it almost. So my hot cocoa is ready. It took just under 10 minutes to heat the milk all the way through, as hot as I like it. And you can see it's piping hot, there's steam rolling off, and it's ready to drink. You certainly should think about adding wonderful toppings. You can add marshmallows, you can add a candy cane, that's what I like, maybe some whipped cream on top with some tiny chocolate chips. Have a lot of fun with it. And another thing that I did was, maybe I don't always want to make 5 cups of hot cocoa. So I mixed the 1/3 cup of cocoa and the 1/3 cup of sugar in this container, and I labeled it so that now I have an instant mix too. And maybe I'll just microwave a cup and put a couple spoonfuls in, and it's very chocolatey, very delicious. I hope you try it. Thanks.